did an accidental raindrop on my eye, and then I just decided it was a mod rainy day eye look. So if you're curious how I did this look, keep watching. The first thing I'm going to use in my box, which I did use last time, was the Rich Bitch moisturizer. My nails aren't all the way on par, but you know what? If I stopped to do them, I might have lost my energy to even film this video, so we're just gonna pretend that they're not disgusting. Skin is luminous and prepped. I actually did do the 4Clay mask last night. I'm obsessed with it. It is the only mask that actually works for me. Like, I notice there's a noticeable difference after. Just gonna go in and just do my foundation. It's the same foundation I always use. I'm gonna break this out and use this as a mirror. Look how cute. Look how cute the packaging is. Wow. Complexion is done, and I'm going to use this opportunity to put cheek slime on. Fielding and Cuffed. I'm gonna put Cuffed on my cheeks. It's like a pastel-y orange. We used these on the shoot, and I really like the formula. I liked the application the best when I put it on with a little stippling brush, and this one's a Delium 953, which I tend to use this all the time, and I also contour with it, so I just personally find that I really like the look of it with this brush. A little goes a very long way with the cheek slime. It's super pigmented. It shows up on all skin tones and types, and it's very permanent. You can definitely apply this with your fingers, but I just like the look with a brush. Super airbrushed look. It brought out my cheeks so much, like I don't even really have to do contour, so maybe I will just skip the contour this time. So now I'm going to use the original little Freckle stain. This color is the original Freck. It is long wear, as it says on the bottle. So I'm going to start with my nose. I feel like freckles around my nose I always like. Line my lips really quick with Foolish by Morphe. Very pigmented. So this is fielding on the lips. Here we go. I'm gonna use Spacebar. Oh, I love how I can just slide my finger through that. This is the priming base that they provide you with in this palette. I'm using Sinful. Just all over my lid here. Oh, that's such a pretty color. I love that. I am such a fan of pastel corals on the eyes. That's all I wore for about 2 years. And now I kind of branch out and just wear bronzer on my lids. I'm really liking using this brush for this eyeshadow look because it's rounded and less super blended looking, and it has like a bit of a point to it, but it's still flat. I'm gonna carry Sinful down onto my lid here. And then I'm just gonna blend a little bit with this Lilah B brush. Just there. And just here. I'm now going to be using this Morphe M508, and I'm gonna start to do kind of a soft cut crease action thing, and I'm gonna use Navy, this negative space color. Place it right in here. Cosmic Dust, just with my finger in the center right here. Oh, that's so pretty. You know what? All over the lid is what I decided. A little bit in the inner corner of my eyes, and a little bit of Big Bang too. Inner corner of my eyes, and a little bit of Big Bang too. I'm gonna take the same D508 brush and I'm gonna diffuse some of the lower lash with Posse. And I'm just gonna go right here. Little addition to all of this, just to intensify like some diffusion without fully changing this coral moment. I'm just gonna stop there. Here's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go in with lavender on the very bottom of my lashes. Whoa. Lavender is called Bromy. Probably like Michelle. Love that. Let's see. It's kind of cool. Okay, so I started to go with Bromy, which is that white pastel lavender color, but I'm gonna go in with Party Wave, which is the cobalt blue one, and paint Mod Blue Lashes, which I think is like kind of more my vibe. Yeah. Well, I will say by adding the light color first, it really highlights the lashes, so that's an option. This white purple, this pastel purple color to go in again. Little lashes. Back with the blue, because I like how that highlighted that. I'm gonna go over the line with the blue. Oh, it's raining little mime, I don't know. Cool. Yeah. I'm really into having a little bit more coverage with the Lilah B pressed powder foundation in Be Natural, and this little brush by Luxie. It's the 522 tapered highlighter. I'm liking it as a powder brush. I'm going to highlight over the top of everything, which will also make the freckles more natural. Cosmic Dust. Makes it almost into like a NARS orgasm moment, like with the gold over a peach moment kind of blush moment. Just gonna top off this blue. I think what would be really snatched is to use a little bit of this Spacebar primer and clean up the tip of this. So I'm just gonna go in with this e.l.f. angled brush. It's the eyebrow duo, whatever. So I put some mascara on. Instead of putting white liner in my waterline, I'm gonna do black. So I'm just popping on some more of this fielding. I'm good with this being a finished makeup. Ended up being a rainy day eye look. If you liked this very interesting look, had a lot of fun making it. I also have a new way of doing my eyebrows. Comment below if you're curious on that. If you enjoyed this, make sure you thumbs up and share with one friend who loves makeup. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and follow Freck on Instagram for more of their updates.